I want to emphasize how things are much more connected than disconnected, and things thrive in the communities when you're connected more. Yokai is a translation, the shapeshifters, the spirit disguised in a particular physical entities. My work touches the notion about less boundaries, because shapeshifters being free to go into different kind of dimensions, spiritual and physical, and the fluidity of it. I feel that's also an important notion right now, because you can accept more about ideas when you have less boundaries.